Hello guys, I'm Rudolph and I welcome you to my 6th Java tutorial. Now in the 5th tutorial, one important thing we didn't talk about is the module. Now the module uses the percentage sign, and what it does is it gives the remainder of two numbers. So quickly let me declare two variables, int toy, and I will set that equals 5, and I will declare the next one, I'll call it int joy, and I will set joy equals number 2, okay, 3 rather. Alright, so right now I'm going to create another one and I'll call it int module, and okay, module, and that one is going to module 5 and 3 and 3, so I'll do that. And now to understand what the module does, we are going to output our variable module on the screen. So system.out.print. okay, now I'll call my module without any quotes because it's a variable. Alright, so I'll close that with a colon, and you don't need to forget that. Now I will run my program. Okay, so I'll just run it. I'll hit on OK, and now I will see the answer being 2 over here. Okay, so this module, this percentage sign, is giving us the remainder when you divide 5 by 3. Okay, so now when you divide 5 by 3, as you know, is 1, and it just gives the remainder of 2 over here. Okay, so now actually this is not what we are doing in this tutorial, so let me clean up this. And now in this tutorial we want to be accepting user input. Okay, so as you see, the previous tutorial we declared variables, adding them and doing a lot of stuff with it, subtracting, dividing, multiplying, and now we can also get the remainder. But in those ones you can see that the variables are only fixed to a particular number, so users cannot input in their own numbers to calculate. Okay, so now in this tutorial we are going to see how to allow the user to input in his own number or text of his choice or her choice. Okay, so to do that I'll go ahead and import in the scanner from the Java library. Okay, so I will type in import java.util.scanner. alright, so now once I have that, then I can now prompt the user to do something. Okay, so I'll just tell the user to do something. So I'll output something on the screen, system.out.print. okay, print line, and I'll bring my quotes since I'm outputting something, and I'll tell the user what to do. Okay, so in this video I'll only tell the user to enter your age. Alright, so now I have to close that with a colon, and now I'm going to call the scanner that I have imported on line 3 over here. Okay, so as you can see, I've imported in the scanner, and this scanner that we've imported is going to allow us to input in certain things. Okay, now when you don't import it, you can never use it. So if only you want to build a program that will accept input, then you have to import the java.util.scanner. okay, and note that that one is always above our class. Okay, it's not done inside the class. Okay, so now I will make an import declaration. So I will say scanner, and I will give it a name. I'll call it yes, and I will set that equals new scanner. Remember, scanner S is in caps, new scanner, and I will allow a system in, so I will just type system.in. okay, don't forget to close out with a colon, and now I can get a cursor in my program for the user to input in something. Okay, so let's try that. I'll run my program, run, hit on OK, and now as you can see, enter your age, and I have my cursor blinking over. Now when we type in anything, it's not going to work. So there's one more thing that we need to do. Alright, so we need to print the output on the screen so that it can work. So system.out.print line, and I will call the name of the scanner. Okay, remember I gave a name to the scanner over here, which I called it yes over here. Okay, so now I'll call that name yes dot next line, and I will bring my brackets over here. Remember to close with a semicolon. Okay, so now anything that I'll input is going to come and it will print that to the next line. Okay, so now let's try. I'll click on run. Okay, and now I can input in my age like 70 years, and when I hit enter, it goes ahead and prints that again on the next line. Okay, so first what we did was first of all we imported in our scanner so that we can use it from the library. Okay, when you don't import, you cannot use it. Alright, then we prompted the user to enter something on the screen, and now we called the scanner and gave it a name, and we set that equals a new scanner to allow our system in, and on line 9 we printed the input out and moving that again to the next line. Okay, that's it for this tutorial, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.